So what is up, guys? This is once again Jeremy, and today I'm here to show you my project 2 for this year, which is titled Book Catalog. In a little bit of report, um, in order for me to build this type of project, I use PHP for backend and Bootstrap for front end, and MySQL Stamp for Apache server and database queries. So how it works? It has a list of status here, wherein if I click active, only the active books will show up, and if I click the deleted one, only the deleted books will show up. And if I click all, everything will show up here. And for example, if I try to search ebook, right? Available data in table. And yeah, then do the check and inactive. So yeah, select that. Everything has E, so only the if the title book has E in it and their status is active, they'll show up here. So how the condition works, and yeah, try to delete one. Example this one, WQS, and I click delete successfully and automatically change here through the use of Ajax. That is the power of Ajax. Refreshing the table or certain part of the website without actually refreshing the entire page. So very useful. Lots of big companies, tech companies, still using it. And yeah, edit. Try to edit. Updated details successfully, as we can see here. And yeah, try to edit. And what if or for example, the user forget to edit in a certain book, and then click the update button. You can see here the text validation. I think was very useful. Try to add one. Yeah, I successfully managed to add this one. And what if I add without any details in title, ISBN, author, publisher, and the select category selected the select category, which is a non-value. Please fill up everything. So some of the validation. Okay, this is everything. Feel free to play around code and practice this at home. To happen to watch my video and try to adapt this type of project. But actually, this is some kind of report. Yeah. Once again, thank you for watching and for visiting my portfolio. and haven't subscribed yet, and please subscribe and click the like button. I hope you learned something. And guys, feel free to visit my portfolio and there are lots of projects I'm working. I promise you, I won't forget to include Red to guide you and instruct how to start a certain project I work